Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this session we'll learn the present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. When we use present perfect continuous tense, we are talking about something which has started in the past but are still in continuous process or it has just been finished. एक ऐसी चीज जो पास में स्टार्ट हो गई है, अभी तक कंटिन्यू है या फिर जस्ट अभी फिनिश हुई है. तो here we have two tenses, the past and the present. For example, I have been waiting all the day. So I have been waiting all the day. Here two tenses are there. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर वो पास में वेट कर रहा है और अभी तक वेट कर रहा है, पास से उसने वेट करना स्टार्ट किया, ही स्टार्टेड वेटिंग फ्रॉम द पास्ट एंड ही इज स्टिल वेटिंग. तो दो टेंसेस इन्वॉल्व हुए, पास्ट एंड प्रेजेंट. सो टू ट्रांसलेट प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट वी यूज पासे कॉम्पोजिट. In French, if we want to translate the present perfect, we use passé composé. So, j'ai attendu toute la journée. J'ai attendu toute la journée means we use the passé composé. So, if we are talking about this sentence, it means that he stopped waiting. But if he is still waiting, so it will be j'ai attendu toute la journée et se continuer. J'ai attendu toute la journée et se continuer. So, in case he stopped waiting or in case he is still waiting, the process is still continuous. So, we use et se continuer. Next is since and for. So when we use since and for in the present perfect continuous. For example, it has been raining since Tuesday. It has been raining since Tuesday. So it will be il a plu depuis mardi. Il a plu depuis mardi means it has been raining since Tuesday. Midi is Tuesday, depuis is since, and il a plu means it has been raining since Tuesday. Or it has been raining for 3 days. It has been raining for 3 days. So it will be il a plu depuis 3 jours. Il a plu depuis 3 jours. It has been raining for 3 days. So depuis for and 3 jours is 3 days and il a plu means it has been raining. Next is I have been learning French since 2011. I have been learning French since 2011. So the process is continuous. So j'apprends le français depuis 2011. J'apprends le français depuis 2011 means I have been learning. Apprendre means to learn and français is French and depuis 2011 means since 2011. Next example we have I have been learning French for 6 years. I have been learning French for 6 years. So it will be j'apprends le français depuis 6 ans. J'apprends le français depuis 6 ans or il y a 6 ans que j'apprends le français. Both are correct. Both mean one and the same thing, that I have been learning French for 6 years. Il y a 6 ans que j'apprends le français. And the last we have is I have been working since 9 a.m. I have been working since 9 a.m. So it will be je travaille depuis 9 heures ce matin. Je travaille depuis 9 hours ce matin. Matin means morning. 9 hours is 9 a.m. Depuis is for since, and je travaille means I have been working. So, je travaille depuis 9 hours ce matin. So, all these are the examples for the present perfect continuous tense in French. If you want to revise all this example once again, you can download from the link below. If you have any question, if you have any queries, you can write on the comment section below. Merci, à bientôt.